So in this first module, we're going to see how to use QGIS to access and explore spatial data sets. And we're going to see how to set up QGIS to call R and process QGIS spatial layers. QGIS is a vastly popular open source GIS. From QGIS, one can call native and third-party algorithms, which makes QGIS particularly flexible and powerful. In particular, one can call R from QGIS and run R programs over QGIS layers of information, hence combining the GIS capabilities of QGIS and the diversity of data analysis algorithms available through R. Next, we are going to see how we can install R if you don't have it already. If your operating system is Windows, then you need to do a couple of things before you can carry on. If your operating system is Linux or Mac, then you can skip steps 2 to 4. You can install R easily from the CRAN website. R is available for Linux, Mac, and Windows. If your machine runs Windows, then you need a couple of extra steps. In particular, you need to install R in the environment path. To do this, edit the system environment variables in Windows and edit path, so the folder where the R executable file is included in the path variable. After you do this, you should check it by opening a R command line Windows, type Windows key plus R, and then type capital R. If this opens an error session, then you are fine. You can use this R command line window to find the path of the R libraries, which you will need later if you have a Windows operating system. Installing QGIS is also very easy. It is available for the main operating systems at qgis.org. QGIS.org releases new versions quite frequently, but the contents of this course apply to all recent ones. After you open QGIS, you will have to configure the QGIS processing frame. To be able to call R in QGIS, we need to configure the QGIS processing framework. This can be done easily through the appropriate menu. In the R script options, use paths like the ones indicated in this slide. We have discussed the R installation folder and the R library folder earlier, which are needed if your operating system is Windows. Note that this R folder path is shorter than the one that was used for Windows environment variables. As we have seen, Windows is the most complex case. To do this, in QGIS, use the drop-down processing menu on top. Choose Options, Providers, and R scripts, as it was just described. Then, edit the folders and change them if necessary. After setting up the QGIS processing frame, you can use the toolbox to create, edit, or execute R scripts in QGIS. You can open the toolbox menu also from the drop-down processing menu, choosing Toolbox. In the new window, you will select R scripts. In the following modules, you'll write R scripts in QGIS. Those scripts are essentially standard R scripts with a short Python header that specifies the inputs from QGIS to R and the outputs from R to QGIS. You will use distinct input and output types for vector spatial datasets, raster spatial datasets, tables, and other types. We will see the first example of a R script shortly in the next module.